across the Arno from the Sant'Ambrogio market, we're here in the Oltrarno, and I'm standing in front of the church of Santa Maria del Carmine. As you might be able to see behind me, inside of this church there is the Brancacci Chapel. The Brancacci Chapel is sometimes referred to as the Sistine Chapel of the early Renaissance. In the 1420s, the artists Masaccio and Masolino painted frescoes here that changed the course of art. Masaccio's use of perspective and light was revolutionary. Michelangelo studied them a century later. Only recently, they completely restored the Brancacci Chapel. And Alessandra and I were lucky enough to be able to visit it and climb the scaffolding where we came face to face with the frescoes. Seeing Masaccio's brushwork up close was unforgettable. One of the most powerful scenes in this fresco cycle, at least for me, was seeing Masaccio's version of Adam and Eve being expelled from the Garden of Eden. I like to think that Michelangelo took inspiration from this version of Adam and Eve when he painted his version a century later on the ceiling of the Sistine Chapel. Hiding in a corner was a painting that we might have otherwise missed if we hadn't been up on the scaffolding. There you can see that Masaccio painted a self-portrait of himself. Next to him, he included Masolino, the architect Leon Battista Alberti, and Filippo Brunelleschi, who famously designed the cupola of Florence's cathedral, a group portrait of the men shaping Florence's Renaissance. The chapel requires a ticket, but it's never as crowded as Florence's blockbuster museums.